everyone, welcome to O-Link. O-Link is a professional of wiring harness and cable assemblies manufacturer. Today I'm going to introduce our OBD cables. If you're interested, welcome your inquiry.
OBD Connector OBD2 cable assembly for motorcycle motorbikes. OBD2 extension cable for car diagnostic system. OBD stands for On-Board Diagnostic. It's the standardized system that allows external electronics to interface with a car computer system. High Quality OBD2 Diagnostics with competitive price. SGS Audited and IATF 16949 suppliers. OEM ODM design with professional technology support.